opening a successful Shopify clothing store is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can open a successful Shopify clothing store. So for that, I'm at the Shopify website, and here I'll simply have to click on this start free trial. And it will take me to this page where it will want me to log in first. After logging in, you will see this page. This is how it should begin. Now here you have to select I'm just starting, and then you have to click on this next. And here you have to select what type of, website you are creating. So I'm just creating an online store. So I'm just going to click on next. And here you have to, select what do you want to sell or what type of store that you are creating. I mean, this is a store that should be used for clothing. So just have to select that. And after that, you have to select continue. And here you have to select your country or region. After that, you have to, click on this next, and it will take you to new page. And after that, you will be at the dashboard of your Shopify store. Here you can easily, customize or create your Shopify store by starting, selecting the theme or anything according to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.